If you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you continue to receive the updates. Please share it with all others who might benefit. Let's get started.
Data science and data analytics, are they the same? Let's try to understand the differences between these two fields. Data analytics involves analyzing data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. It's about asking questions, extracting meaningful information, and making data-driven decisions. Data science, on the other hand, is a broader discipline. It's about not just analyzing data, but also building, cleaning, and organizing data sets to derive insights. Data scientists leverage algorithms, statistical models, and programming to unlock the potential of data. While both fields involve working with data, their skill sets and tools differ significantly. For data analytics, proficiency in statistical analysis, data visualization, and domain knowledge is crucial. Tools like Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and SQL are commonly used for data manipulation and visualization. Data science, on the other hand, demands deeper understanding of algorithms, machine learning techniques, and knowing a programming language like Python in the current times is imperative. Data wrangling, statistical modeling, and programming skills are essential for data scientists. To enter either field, the aspiring professionals need to equip themselves with the right skills and tools. For those interested in data analytics, pursuing courses in data visualization and business intelligence tools can pave the way. For those aspiring to become data scientists, a solid foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming is a must. Courses in machine learning, data wrangling, and deep learning provide necessary expertise, depending on the type of data that you're going to deal with. Ultimately, whether you choose data analytics or data science, both fields offer exciting opportunities to work with data and drive meaningful insights. In conclusion, while data analytics focuses on analyzing data for insights, data science encompasses a broader range of activities, including data manipulation and modeling. Regardless of the path you choose, both fields play vital roles in leveraging the power of data to solve real-world problems.